Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva Pro for free and how you can generate passive income in dollars with it. And you are welcome to my YouTube channel, to my new YouTube channel. And if that sounds great to you to use Canva Pro for free, I hope you can subscribe and like. And let's dive into that. And before that, I'm going to show you how you are going to use it for free and how you are going to sign up for free too without any purchasing membership to use it monthly. The first step is for you to go to your Canva, to go to Chrome. You get to Chrome, click on Canva and create accounts with it. You can see continue. I'm going to just continue with Google. I'm just going to click one here. I want to create my new account for Canva. Then this is how I'm going to create it. You can see I'm not buying anything. You can see enjoying also dash. I'm not buying anything. You can see I have created an account. You can see this is my new account. Then I can see this is my new account. I'm going to show you. This is my new account. You can see that I just created now. Then to use it for free, I'm going to cancel this one. I'm going back to Chrome and I'm going to tell you the app, the website that will allow you to use it for free. I'm going to say it at the end of this video. Just stay with me, watch this video to the end. I'm going to say that at the end of this video. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. Then I'm going to just can see I'm just going to scroll down. Then you can see this. When you get to display will first be counting in minutes, in 1 minute, and after that, you are just going to see download, where you can download this thing. Then you are going to click on this. Then you are going to click on get here. Just click on get here. You can see get here. You can see welcome to your Canva for team. You can see that is how you are going to use Canva Pro to generate massive income without purchasing any membership for monthly uses. That is how you are going to use it for free.